Fixing Verissimo failures is easier and faster within the DVT IDE compared to using a plain text editor and rerunning the linter in batch mode. You benefit from all the advanced code editing, debugging, navigation and visualization capabilities of the IDE while fixing the failures. DVT's incremental compiler updates the project database as you type. You can rerun linting on demand, either only the failed checks or all of them to make sure no other rules have been violated. You can further streamline this process by using the incremental linting features provided by Verissimo in DVT. This way, as you work on your project, Verissimo automatically analyzes your changes and reports linting errors on the fly. In terms of setup, you just need to specify in the build configuration file if you want to run the linting after an incremental build, full project build, or both. Let's set up the linting to run incrementally, specify the rule set and waivers file, and rebuild the project. First, let's fix this cast failure by assigning the return value to a variable and printing an error message. Since this field is not declared, DVT immediately flags a compile error, but it can easily be fixed using the DVT quick fix. Now, Verissimo runs incrementally and triggers a failure because this new field does not follow the naming convention for class members. Again, DVT IDE functionality allows you to quickly perform a refactoring operation and rename it accordingly. Similar to incremental compilation in DVT, Verissimo only analyzes the code affected by your changes, and the failure is instantly cleared. By the way, DVT also brings Verissimo autocorrect at the tip of your fingers, so you can quickly fix autocorrectable failures.